So why would I want to trade the foreign exchange market over other markets? For a start, it is the most liquid market traded in the world that runs 24 hours a day, 5.5 days of the week. Just to give you an idea of what I mean, in early 2014, according to the Bank of International Settlements, Forex trading increased to an average of 5.3 trillion traded per day. To put that into perspective, that's $220 billion per hour. It would take 30 days of trading on the New York Stock Exchange to equal the same amount as one day on the Forex trading market. But this doesn't really affect the average trader like you or I, other than giving the trader very good liquidity, which means that you can buy and sell any of the major currency pairs, and there is never an issue with that pair not being available to trade. Also, with this much volume traded on a daily basis, the average trader like you or I have absolutely zero chance of influencing the market direction. Because the Forex market is running continuously for 24 hours during the week, there is very little gapping, which can be a common problem with stock trading. For example, you may have bought ABC stock for £24.20 on Tuesday, just before the markets close, with a stop loss set at £23.50 to protect you against the major losses. During the night when the market is closed, there is a major announcement which affects the company trading as ABC. And the market opens on Wednesday, with ABC trading at £21.10. Not only has this gap down £2.10 overnight, it has also opened up £1.40 below our stop loss, giving us a much greater loss than we ever anticipated. This rarely happens with Forex trading, but having said that, it can happen, especially over the weekend when the market is closed. But it is rare. I've been caught out like this before, so it's not very often that I'll leave a position running over the weekend. You will soon see with Forex trading that you only have a small number of currency pairs to choose from. This is a very small basket compared to the number of stock choices you have. On the stock market, there are literally thousands to choose from. You don't have the problem of finding a needle in a haystack with Forex trading. It requires far less time searching and analysing, and all your efforts can be concentrated into a very narrow field, so you can get on with trading sooner rather than later. Once you've looked at a few different charts, which I could discuss later, you will see some very nice smooth trends that seem to occur quite often. Now, this is something that you may not understand if you've never traded a financial instrument before, especially if you've never looked at charts. The low cost of trading is also important. Most trading is conducted online on your broker's website, through MetaTrader 4 or on other online platforms. The cost is minimal for each trade. There is normally no commission involved, however you do have to cover the spread. Further to this low cost, you could also open a trading account with a broker with a very small amount, and in some cases just a couple of £100s. Granted, you are not likely to make £1 million from this, but it is a start. So we need somewhere to trade. As I stated earlier, this can be done online via the internet. The good thing about this is that most brokers offer unlimited demonstration platforms where you can practice trading for as long as you like without risking any of your own money. Now, this is brilliant, especially if you want to try out different trading methods and ideas. You can have a demo trading account and a live trading account with the same broker. Just ensure you don't get them confused. Demo trading is a useful tool where you can try out new things, but please be warned, trading a demo account is nothing like trading a live account, as there is zero risk on your demo account. Therefore, your emotions don't come into play at all. It's like walking across a plank of wood 6 inches off the ground, and then walking across that exact same plank of wood 20 stories in the air. I'm sure your emotions would be a little bit different, and the same goes for trading. When there's real money on the line, you will think and act differently. Trust me on this. I'll have more on brokers and their platforms later, or you can head over to our website where we've got plenty of information about our recommended broker. That's tipstopips.com. Go and check it out. So why do I trade Forex? I trade Forex because it gives me the freedom to pick up my laptop or my phone and make money from anywhere in the world. I can take a few days off and return to the charts whenever I choose without having to worry. I mix between swing trading and day trading because it happens to fit with my schedule, but it's important for you to understand that you can create a trading plan that works for you and your current situation. The other thing I like about trading Forex is that it can be as simple or as complicated as you make it for yourself. I have found some of the most effective strategies are the most simple. For more great content like this, head over to tipstopips.com and get involved with our community.